guys, today I'll be smelting some silver. This is I got some little junk and I work it out and fix it, and now I have cement silver, which one I want to smelt it, and I'll be using my microwave while adding some borax, okay, and smelt it. Okay, let's put in the microwave. So now everything is in position. I'm putting my cover. Cover is like, you know, this, you already saw videos, and covering and setting. I set 8 minutes and press start, and we'll see what's happening in 8 minutes. And I'll be putting in the water here. Water, I'm ready, so I'll let him work right now. Left few minutes, not minutes, seconds, and we'll be taking out. Okay, let's see. Okay, silver is melted, so let's take the cup. Okay, and spill it in the water. Okay. See? 8 minutes and you have silver smelted. Okay. This is not a lot, but if you have little amounts of silver, the microwave is the best thing to do it. Okay. So I can see how much I got it. This is just few contacts. No, come out. Don't want to come out. 7 grams. It's okay. Little by little, and this bottle be full. Thanks for watching. Use microwave. It's very easy and very fast. 8 minutes, your job is done. See? This all smelts silver very easy. The same with gold. Bye bye.